Hi. So in our experiment that we just conducted, that was supposed to separate salt from pepper with using a common latex balloon, I found that both my salt and my pepper both were attracted to my negatively charged balloon. The experiment initially said that only the pepper would be attracted to the balloon. So this set me to thinking, is there something else that is going on here, or that could explain why I got the results that I did versus the results that were expected or the results that other people have gotten. And so one of those things that I wanted to look at was the distance of the balloon to my salt and pepper. And so it does appear that both salt and pepper are both positively charged particles, but I want to see if I hold the balloon a little further away from my plate, would I continue to, would the electrostatic force be enough to lift both salt and pepper together, or would it just lift one or the other up into my balloon? So that's what we're going to try here. It's kind of experiment part 2. Okay, so again, I have my Himalayan salt. Put some on here on my lovely plate. Okay, I'm going to mix it up. Put my salt there. I've got my great value pepper, and I'm going to mix it in there, pour it right on my plate. Okay, then I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to repeat what I did as far as I'm going to still rub the balloon against my hair to build up that electrostatic charge. So it should become negatively charged on the balloon. And then instead of holding it really close to my plate, so last time I did it, it was about like this close to my plate, and it was and I had both pepper and salt attached to my balloon. This time I'm going to hold it right about there, just a little bit longer, about 2-3 inches above the plate, and see if that makes a difference. Okay, so here we go. Got my balloon again. I'm going to rub it against my hair again and build up that electronegative charge here. Okay, and here's my plate. And again, I'm going to hold that. Yep, got a good charge. I'm going to hold it a little bit further, find out what happens. Okay, and it looks like this time, I don't know if you can see that, this time, so this time I have the pepper on the balloon. So it looks like that, yes, distance does play a role in whether the pepper only adheres to the balloon or the salt adheres to the balloon with the pepper. And so what I would say was that the pepper is probably a lighter particle and can lift more easily off the plate than the salt. The salt would be considered a heavier particle, and so it's going to stay down on the paper plate, and then the pepper is going to be lifted up to the balloon.